Hello, all. I'm thrilled to bring this to you. We have a wonderful collaboration with Takshila. We're saying we'll offer mocks together. So, long story short, all 2IM students will get a set of Takshila mocks. All Takshila students will get a bunch of 2IM mocks. And it's a simple idea so that our students get exposed to mocks from two different providers. Very simple idea. Sometimes we kind of have reasonable respect for each other in the industry, like how they go about running their business. And they also we can pick up the phone and speak. It's actually surprising why we didn't think about it maybe a year sooner, but better late than never. That's the idea. So what will students get? And so simply, we'll get all the official papers that have been officially released. And so we have 6 3-hour CAT mocks, all with detailed solutions, several with video solutions, 3 actual CAT 2-hour papers. These are actual papers. Right? And then XAT, IFT, whatever papers are available, that will be there. Right? Apart from this, there are 5 3-hour CAT mocks that are already in the system, which have been there since before they made the transition. We'll be adding 10 2-hour CAT mocks. Of this, already 4 are there in the system. Right? On top of this, there are 12 2-hour CAT mocks from Takshila. So any student can say, just 2-hour mocks can get 25 of these with reasonable variety and very high quality. So if you're thinking about mocks, then you should have been already thinking about mocks. If you're starting now, you should say, hey, I'm going to try to squeeze in 20, maybe 25. And 25 high quality mocks on a platter, all with good solutions, should be available for all students. Beyond this, I want to talk about the last lab. And several times I find students saying, look, I'm weak in quant. I'm weak in just quant, just LRDI. I want a booster for verbal. We at 2IM have part courses available for each of these components. And we have 4 wonderful part courses. The first one is Test Dojo, which is like, I do not particularly weak at anything. I don't need to boot some one thing, but I want tons of practice to amp up my speed. And the Test Dojo comes with 8,000 plus practice questions, with the majority of them being CAT level questions. So about 3,000 are practice questions to consolidate an idea, nearly 5,000 are CAT level questions. And so anything which we have, all of these come with the mock series. Anyway, the entire mock series will come with a package for each of these categories. And so the Test Dojo is, I have my fundas clear. I know where I'm going, but I want tons of practice with detailed solutions that will help me amp up to go from X to 1.5X in terms of score, in terms of building the speed. Quant, the entire quant course, all the classes, all the checkpoint quizzes, prep edge quizzes, the entire quant component of Test Dojo and mocks will come. For DALR, entire LRDI course, but this is more than 60 sets of actual CAT questions, nearly more than this, way more than this of LRDI questions of CAT level, beyond just preparatory courses where we do something simpler in order to amp up to this level. Everything with detailed solutions, almost everything with video solutions. And so, apart from the mock pack always comes through, and the relevant part of Test Dojo, the practice engine, is also a part of this. So if you're saying, look, I want to amp up my quant or LRDI, this is the place to go to, because we cover the theory, we cover practice in depth, we do several videos to tweak the thought process, and we have a giant test engine. Right? The same thing is available for verbal ability and reading comprehension, the VRC learning part, the VRC Test Dojo part, and mocks. All of these come along. So we have a wonderful offer going on over the next 2-3 days as well. Check that out. All the descriptions are available. Outlines are available in the description here. So just go check that out. Beyond this, suppose I'm saying, look, I have only a very short window now. What is the overall course offered by 2IM? And so we have 3 versions of the course. One is what we call the Green CAT course. Green because it's paper free. And so the entire online course is available. So quant, LRDI, verbal, Test Dojo, the testing engine, mocks, everything we do online is available on a platter. That's called the Green CAT course. Right? So this involves several thousands of videos, all heavily modularized with analytics to tell you how much you've completed and to tell you how well you're doing based on the test series and how much you have completed based on how many lessons you have taken. Right? Add a set of hard copy books to it. That's a comprehensive CAT course. So include everything in the green, and then we ship across 10 books covering quant, LRDI, verbal, parajumble, reading comprehension, book of formulae, everything put together. That's our comprehensive course. To this, add a bunch of live classes. We do about 5 live classes every week, which are again on this screen with several questions being solved step by step throughout, with a chat window and a discussion platform also being available. And that is our overall live CAT course. So Green plus books is comprehensive. Green plus books plus live classes is the live CAT course. Once again, each and every single component. So if you want to check out Quant Core, there'll be 2 classes available. LRDI, there'll be 1 class, 2 class available. For mocks, there'll be a mock available. For every part of what we offer, there'll be something that is available for sampling for free. Please do check it out. If you're saying, look, I want to check out the live class, there is a live class available. And then you can do a demo on top of that. So everything is available on a platter for checking and sampling. So do take the time out and verify that. And wonderful. I just want to take some time out and outline the different parts, especially in this last lab. And say, look, I have this covered. I just need to amp up and get speed. And Dojo is your thing. You say, of these 3, I'm weak at LRDI or Quant or VRC. I want to amp only that up. Then there's an avenue to do that. If you're saying, look, everything is covered, I'm going to jump in and do 20 mocks. That is also available. So pick and choose because we have less than 100 days to go. Best wishes, guys.